Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to practice a little fire roll. More specifically, I want to make a fire roll that I can just set in these leaves and let the winds blow them into flames. Do not try to do any other fibers and fillers until you have mastered cotton and wood ashes. Do yourself that favor. Usually I only use a half of a cotton ball and put about a quarter teaspoon of ashes in it, but I think I need something longer lasting and something that burns hotter, so I'll use an entire cotton ball and put a little bit more ash in it, maybe a half a teaspoon of ashes. Oh, you want to make sure on the package it says 100% cotton. You want some ash on your bottom board. And we'll show this first one in regular speed. Unless there's some other reason to show you some more regular speed, we'll do the rest in double speed or faster. Tighten it up with your hand. Tighten it up with the board, a few forward strokes. And so that the roll won't get over tight and snuff out the developing ember, I'll do like 10 or 15 rolls in one direction and turn that fire roll and do the last 10 or 15 rolls in the other direction. It's a very simple technique. I hope if you've given up on it, that you will go back and try to learn it again. The most common problem I hear from my subscribers is that many times they'll roll this fire roll and it'll just disintegrate. That is classic not enough pressure. The more downward pressure you apply, the quicker the ignition. Try to get it against my jacket so you can see it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.